Hi guys, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back. It's lunchtime. If you haven't watched my breakfast video today, which I taught you guys how to make another tofu dish, make sure to check it out. I will pop the link above. For lunch, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a really popular Korean fried crunchy tofu. Now let's get the lunch started. So the first thing I'm gonna mention, here I'm using the extra firm tofu. If you have the same brand or similar brand, which the category tofu at the firmness level, this one is the purple color and I'm using the level 5. And here I'm going to cut my tofu. The same time I'm going to preheat my deep fryer to about 170 degrees Celsius. So now I'm going to get my tofu out and then I'm going to cut my tofu half by the lines way. Then each half I'm going to cut it half again by the lines way. From here we are going to cut the tofu to small cubes. So we are going to just basically cut it down and each tofu will be this big. And now I'm going to quickly cut them all. Basically just cut down, down, down. And then I have a bowl of corn flour here. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put my tofu in the corn flour. I'm just going to let them roll all the sides. Then I'm going to pop them on the side. So I'm going to quickly do all the tofus. Right, now my deep fryer has been heated up to 170 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to put my coated tofu in my deep fryer. At the same time, I'm going to flip the heat up to 190 degrees. So here, each time I will only put in a few of them, just in case the corn flour make them really sticky and stick together in the end. So I'm putting in probably half of what I got here. And pop them in. So we are going to leave the tofu in the deep fryer until both sides golden brown, and then we are going to take them out and let them cool on the side. At the same time, I'm going to teach you guys make this secret sauce. So here I'm going to get out a saucepan. So we are going to put in 50 grams of butter. It doesn't matter if it's salted or unsalted. So 50 grams of butter in. Then I'm going to put in the Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon. Then 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Then we are going to add in the corn syrup, or if you have rice syrup, you can put in 2 tablespoons. So here I'm using 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. Then I'm going to take my saucepan to the hob and I'm going to heat up the saucepan. So we are going to cook the sauce until everything is well combined. And I'll be back in a sec. Oh, don't forget, check on your tofu. The first batch of the tofu I just fried are done now. I just got them out of the deep fryer. I'm gonna leave them on the side to cool now. At the same time, I'm gonna put it in the second batch. So here I got my sauce ready. It only took me about 45 seconds to combine everything in the saucepan, and then I just got them out straight away. And that's all of my tofu out. I'm gonna leave them on the side to cool for about 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna pop them in the deep fryer again to double fry them. That will give them the extra layer of crispy and crunchy. My tofu slices are reasonable cool now. I'm going to pop them back in the deep fryer. We are still going to separate them to 2 batches. Once tofu is golden brown, we can get them out and put the second batch in. So I'm going to quickly get mine out. So they are super crunchy and really pretty. After I took them out, I put them on 2 pieces of kitchen roll to dry the excess oil off. I got all of my double fried tofu out now. I'm going to plate up and show you guys what we get in the end. Here is my Korean style fried tofu. Now is most important part. Try my lunch. Right, I'm going to pick one. I'm going to dip it in the sauce. Wow. Wow. It's so delicious. Oh my god. This sauce and this fried tofu together, it's just a joy to eat. Honestly guys, definitely try this recipe. It's so good, it's so crunchy, and the inside, the tofu is still soft. So you have the crunchy outside layer and soft inside tofu, and the sauce being balanced with sweet, sour, spicy. Honestly, so good, so good. Right, now I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. Make sure you like this video and you have subscribed to my channel already. If you want to know what's gonna happen tonight for the dinner time, make sure you tap the bell. Right, now I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. I will see you guys at the dinner time. Bye.